Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is SGM from Switzerland. So I hope everybody is in good health because health is wealth. So today's topic, I'm going to show you a DIY project which is about recycling materials. So our project for today is a toothbrush hanger or a toothbrush holder. So our materials is uh, waist hanger. This is a hanger, small hanger for the baby's clothes, and we need this bottle caps. This one is a bottle cap. This is our main material, bottle caps, and this is a coffee creamer. This is a product of Switzerland. This is from the Dinner supermarket. This is a coffee creamer. Look. So I'm going to use this cup, okay? So I need 3 pieces of this cup. Then I have already here 3 pieces, look, plus this. And I need flowers, 2 red and 1 white. And I need a scissor, I need a glue stick and a glue gun, hot glue. And we need this crystal to decorate our project. And I have here 3 pieces of toothbrush as our example. So this is our main materials, okay? So I have already here, this one I have already decorated this two with some crystals, and I'm using this one. So I'm going to decorate this one. So I will show you this project. So this is already finished. So I'm going to decorate this one with this crystal. This one have already a sticker. Just all you have to do is just press it, fix it. And I need this one, 3 pieces. I will put here on the side. So if it will not fix, you can fix it with the use of the hot glue. Okay, so I have already here the 3 and this one. So this is the hanger, okay? I have already started the 2 sides by using this crystal. This is a sticker type. All you have to do is just fix it here. Look, this is the other side. We'll fix here, and the other one on the other side. Okay, so this one. So this one I'm going to cut with the use of these pliers. This is the back side of the flower. I'm going this one to the center part of the, since this one have holes, so I'm going to cover this one with the use of this flower. Okay, so this hot glue is ready. It's already hot. So I'm going to put a glue so this one I'm going to put the glue here. We will fix some glue on the back side and this one in the center. Okay, so I'm using white flower for the center, and I have 2 pieces for both sides. This is a very simple, very easy project. Ooh. Just press it from the, and the other one we will put here. This one, look, Just put a glue on the side and press here in the back. So we have already our flowers. Okay, look, this is our flowers, the two, and this is in the center. Now our hanger is ready to be fixed. We will fix the three of these bottle cups. Okay, so we're going to put this in the center here. Look, it will be hanging like this. Okay, we will just fix a glue on the back side. Look at this, not too much. And the other side is two on the both side. We will just put the glue in this side. Okay, and the other one will be in the other side. Okay, just put the glue on this side. Look here, here, and fix this one. So guys, we have already our hanger, simple DIY project, and this is our toothbrush. I'm going to hang this yellow on the center and the two red color on the side. So this is our instant toothbrush holder using recycled materials. This is from the bottle cups of the coffee creamer. This is a product of Switzerland from the Dinner Supermarket coffee creamer. And this is our bottle cups. Look at this. And this one is from the recycled hanger of the baby's clothes. And this flower is from my flower base. This is all recycled materials. So guys, if you like this tutorial, just give me a thumbs up and leave a comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel SGN Creations and Tutorials so that you will learn many things from my channel.